How to create AI music using Udio. First, open your web browser and go to udio.com. Then, sign in with your Google, Discord, or email account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Udio dashboard, click Create or Create Music, depending on the current interface. Next, click inside the prompt box and describe the type of song you want to generate. For example, type an upbeat pop song with energetic drums, catchy guitar melodies, and an inspiring mood. If available, choose whether you want an instrumental track or a song with AI-generated vocals. You can also select the music genre, mood, or language. Now, click the Create button. Udio will create your AI-generated music in just a few moments. Once the song is ready, listen to the preview. If you'd like to make changes, edit your prompt or generate another version until you're happy with the result. Finally, click the Download button to save your AI-generated music if downloads are available on your current plan. That's it! You've successfully created AI music using Udio. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, music creation tips, and easy tech guides.